good people? Huge shout out to Bannister Nissan for allowing me to review the 2020 Nissan Versa. Today we're reviewing the all-new redesigned 2020 Nissan Versa. This particular model wrapped in a brilliant silver. For the length 177 inches, height 57 inches. You have a wheelbase of 103 inches with a ground clearance of 6 inches. Right here we are looking at a 17-inch aluminum alloy wheel with a machine accent finish, with disc brakes in the front and drum brakes in the back. Right here we are looking at a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder, aka 4-banger, pushing out 122 for the torque, 114 at 4,000 RPM for the MPG highway, 35, city, 27. Here's the sound of it. Now we are making our way inside of the vehicle. We are greeted with charcoal sports cloth with orange stitching. Right here we are looking at an analog/digital gauge. On the left you have your 7-inch colorful digital display. On the right you have your analog gauge. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control settings. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel where you can control your digital cluster gauge. Right here you have your trunk and gas release. Looking down on the door panel you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control alongside mirror control. Right here we are looking at a 7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Nissan Connect. Now we're bringing it down to your climate control. In the cubby area you have your USB aux alongside your 12-volt outlet. You have your engine start-stop button. You have your shift knob. This particular model is a CVT, aka continuous variable transmission. Also, it can come in a 5-speed manual transmission. You have your cup holder area. We done made our way up to your interior lighting. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. Back here is very spacious. You have your 2 USB outlets. You have carbon fiber on the door handle to give that sporty feel. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 15 cubic feet. Wow, you can put a 40-inch TV in here. Once again, huge shout out to Bannister Nissan for allowing me to review the 2020 Nissan Versa. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Real quick, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.